Brooke, who are these presents from?
Nana.
And Nappa.
And Appa.
Alright, go ahead, open. Go ahead, open.
I can?
Yep, go ahead, open it.
A story!
Oh boy, stories.
Daddy, stories! Daddy, stories! Now we can...
Hey, baby brother's gonna get your stories. Look. Baby brother's gonna get your stories. Caleb.
Don't play with my trash!
Alright, go ahead, open that one.
Caleb, what is that?
No!
Alright, just open that present. Aww. Did you show him the bear?
He's interested in the wrapping.
Okay.
Mommy, will you help me?
No, sit down. You can do it. There, rip. Those are Dora jammies.
I want to wear these.
You can wear these tonight.
I can put this way.
Hey, buddy. All right, open the last one.
That's the Dora one inside.
What's inside?
Oh, let me know. You can't talk to me yet.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
What is it?
Dorothy, shut your DD.
Is that the Dora dance?
Yeah.
That's just what you wanted, isn't it? Is that just what you wanted?
Yeah.
Oh,
Look, I think I'm gonna play with
boy.
that tonight, okay?
No. That's special.
That is very special. All right, look at me at Mommy and say thank you, Nana Nappa. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.